Hello guys, and welcome back to another beginner-friendly tutorial where I will show you the top 5 After Effects errors car editors face every day. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. The first one is the most asked on the channel. How to fix the black frame speed ramp bug. This happens after creating a reverse speed ramp, where the middle keyframe shows a black frame. This is easy to fix. Stop at the middle keyframe where the black screen appears and adjust the timing by going 1 or 2 frames back, and it will be fixed. Let me undo it and show you another example. Open the graph editor and drag the middle keyframe 1 or 2 frames down to go back, and you're good to go. The second issue you may face is tracking failure. Whenever you click track camera, a red warning appears explaining why it can't track your video. It says that the 3D camera tracker can't work when time remapping is enabled on the layer. In this case, I've enabled time remapping and speed ramp the clip, so it's not possible to use the 3D camera tracker on this layer. To fix this, delete the 3D camera tracker effect from the layer, then pre-compose the layer. Make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration are selected, then click OK. Now you'll have a clean new layer where you can apply track camera and continue your editing process. The third and most common issue is the annoying analysis solve failed message on the screen, but you won't believe how easy it is to fix. Under the 3D camera tracker, change the shot type to specify angle of view. Next, set the horizontal angle of view to 45. Then expand advanced and enable detailed analysis, and simply wait for it to analyze the video again. Once it's done, everything should work properly. If you still get the analysis solve failed message after these fixes, then it's not an After Effects issue. It can also be caused by your footage being too shaky, too blurry, or lacking enough clear details for the tracker to detect and follow properly. The fourth issue is also related to the 3D tracker. After the 3D camera tracker finishes analyzing, sometimes the tracking points don't appear on the screen, so you can't select them. To fix this, right-click on the composition up here, and go to View Options. Enable Layer Controls, then click OK. After this step, the points should appear. If they still don't show up, here is another solution. Go to the View menu, scroll down to Switch 3D View, and make sure Active Camera is selected. And now the tracking points should be visible. The fifth issue is related to speed ramping. After enabling time remapping and adjusting the speed of the video, the final step is to smooth it out using the graph editor. Sometimes the curve doesn't appear, so to fix this quickly, right-click inside the graph and make sure Show Animated Properties is enabled. Now the curve should become visible. You can also switch the graph type to Edit Value Graph to create a smooth speed ramp. These were the top 5 errors every new editor faces in After Effects. If I missed something or you're facing other issues in After Effects, let me know in the comments and I'll make a tutorial on it soon.